probably be recording, but yeah. Oh wait, hold on, stay on the line. Oh. Hold on, guys. Hello? 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 I'm talking to you. Hey. Stop and have a seat. Have a seat.
Why?
Because I asked you to.
Okay, please don't touch me.
I asked you to have a seat.
Please don't touch me, sir.
I asked you to have a seat. Please have a seat.
Are you stopping me for some reason?
Yes, I am.
For what reason?
Because you guys are photographing the police department.
Okay, is that a crime?
I want to find out what's going on.
Okay,
please get that
so
out
why
of
are
my
you
face.
why are you detaining me? Well, please stop touching my arm.
Okay, I asked you to have
Right now you're assaulting me.
I'm not assaulting you.
You are assaulting me. You're touching my arm and you're not allowed
please
to.
have a seat.
When you see the police interacting with citizens, the first thing to remember is that a camera is a silent witness. It does not exaggerate, it does not forget, and it does not lie. Recording police activity in public is a lawful act and an essential tool for accountability. Many officers react emotionally to being recorded, even though transparency is part of public service. The presence of a camera often reveals whether authority is being used properly or abused. This interaction begins with that exact tension. A citizen exercising a right meets officers questioning that right.
Why are you assaulting me right now?
Please have a seat.
Why are you assaulting me right now? Why are you assaulting me right now? What is your name?
I'm asking you to have a seat.
I'm asking you for your name. Please get your hand off of me.
Sir.
Right now this is assault.
I've asked you to stop several times. You can be arrested right now.
Hold on 1 second.
Stay on the line.
Right now I'm being
Okay.
assaulted.
Can we talk?
You're not being assaulted.
We can absolutely
Can we
talk
talk?
as soon as I am not
This
being
officer-
assaulted by this
listen,
man.
Listen.
Please tell
This
him to get
officer-
his hand off
Can you
of me.
please listen to me
I
first?
would be happy.
Listen to me first.
Am I
you're
free
not
to go?
free to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
You are not free to go. You are being detained.
Please
This officer is giving you a lawful command. Please just listen. What's the big deal?
sit down.
Hi. This is also being videoed, so please,
Yeah, he said we're not free to go.
please listen to his
Please
command.
do not touch me.
Okay, sir.
Are you making?
Sir, you're being detained, and I'm not sure why yet.
Okay, I don't
This
know why
officer
either.
is giving you a lawful command. He's detaining you. So
Are you
please-
making a legal determination that you have the authority?
The individual is calmly standing on a public sidewalk, engaging in photography, which is not a crime. Instead of explaining the situation clearly, officers immediately issue commands without legal grounding. Orders are given before any crime is articulated. This sets the tone for confusion and escalation. Lawful authority requires clarity, not intimidation. When commands replace communication, rights are often the first casualty.
To do this
Sir,
right now?
Sir, I'm asking you politely to please comply.
Why am I being forced to comply? I'm on a
You
public
are
sidewalk.
being detained.
Okay.
and
Do
this
you have
officer
any
has
of what
given
you call probable cause?
Hey, Tom. Tom,
Yes.
do you want this guy sitting down?
I asked him.
Okay. Sir, you are
What
being
is-
detained. I don't know. Let's figure that out.
Is there
later.
any probable
You are
cause?
being given a command, a lawful command to comply. So,
And
please,
what is your evidence of jurisdiction to give me a
Sir.
lawful order?
sir, you are being detained.
Are people not allowed to be on this? Please do not touch me.
Come on.
I will sit down
Then
if
sit
you get your
down.
hand off of me.
You haven't sat down yet.
Stop
Get the
it.
camera out of my face and sit down.
Stop assaulting me.
Sit down.
Stop assaulting me.
Hold on.
Stop
How you doing,
assaulting
sir?
me.
Can
I was fine until
Can I talk?
no. I would like you to not touch me.
We'll talk over here.
Okay. I would like to not be assaulted.
We'd feel safer if he stayed with us.
Physical contact becomes the turning point in this encounter. Touching a person without legal justification transforms a conversation into a confrontation. The citizen repeatedly asks not to be touched, asserting personal boundaries clearly and verbally. This is not resistance. It is a lawful demand for bodily autonomy. Officers must understand that authority does not erase consent. Respect is not optional. It is required.
I want to know.
Okay, that's fine.
He's clearly
I want to
not
know
safe for
first
any
off.
guys.
Yes.
Why are you telling me that I'm not free to go? Hold on.
I'm sorry. Let me interrupt real quick. Go ahead. Talk to me.
I want to know why are you telling me that I am not free to go?
Sir,
What is your supposed probable cause, and are you making a legal determination that you have the jurisdiction to order me to do something?
sir, the problem we have is that we have suspicious circumstances where we got people, recording vehicles in our parking lot. So it is all we want to know is find out, what's going on here and what your purpose is. That's all it is.
My purpose is to
and
photograph you.
And if you don't want to sit down, you don't have to sit down.
Okay, great. So I want to know why I'm being assaulted and threatened by people.
No, you're not being assaulted.
No, I have been assaulted twice, and I'm going to let you know that your police training, your so-called training...
Repeated claim of lawful commands is used without explaining the law itself. A command is only lawful when supported by legal authority and clear suspicion of a crime. Suspicion of a person is not the same as suspicion of criminal activity. This distinction is critical and often ignored. Detention without articulable facts undermines public trust. The law is not based on feelings or discomfort.
Should prevent you from assaulting people who are not being accused of a crime.
Okay. So, like I said, the only concern we have is that it's kind of suspicious, kind of odd.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Walking up to our police department and directly up to our gate and taking video and pictures of our vehicles and equipment and our police department in general.
I understand that
it is not against the law.
I understand that it may be unusual.
Yes.
Okay. However, that is not my concern.
Right.
My concern is merely to go about my business, and I am not here to answer questions.
Okay.
I am not being detained under any supposed law that is being broken.
And all I want to do is talk to you about what's going on. That's all it is, sir.
Okay, well, all I want to do...
You're not in any trouble or anything like that, but...
Well, all I want to do...
I just want to make sure that there is no... if you have any concerns, I also want to make sure that we're going to be safe. That's all we're here for.
My concern is that you have two officers that assaulted me.
Sir, we also have...
As more officers arrive, confusion increases rather than resolves. Different officers give mixed messages about whether the individual is detained or free to go. This lack of internal clarity reflects poor training or poor communication. When officers themselves are unsure, the citizen pays the price. Detention should never be vague or improvised. Rights do not pause while officers figure it out.
I have the right to talk to you, though.
You don't have the right to assault me.
Okay. Do you mind if I can see your ID?
Sir, I'm not here to answer any questions. I'm not going to testify.
Okay. All right, hold on.
I don't know. I will say yes.
Chip.
I'm assuming that's...
Hello. My name's Sergeant Klug. Can I talk to you real quick without a camera in my face? Please?
The camera will be staying
You
on.
can keep it on. I don't care. Just not right up in my face. What's your first name?
I'm not here to answer questions, sir.
Okay. Well, you're free to go at this point.
Thank you.
I apologize if you feel that you were treated improperly, but my officers do have a duty to do their job and to find out what's going on. There's a lot of terrorism in the country right now that we're concerned with. We don't know that you're involved with terrorism. So that's why we contacted you and had a chat with you.
Okay, I would like to know why this person assaulted me.
I have no idea.
Well, will you ask
Possibly
him?
because you weren't being cooperative. And we have a right to detain people when we see suspicious circumstances. We deemed this suspicious circumstances. You were detained. So it's a legal detention. If you don't think it was legal detention, feel free to get an attorney and talk to him.
Well, I just want to ask you, are your officers making legal determinations in the field that they have the authority to order people?
Absolutely.
Okay, and
Absolutely.
how are they able to make that legal determination? Are they using factual evidence?
Years of training.
No, I'm asking you,
Talk to your attorney.
Are they using...
Talk to
I
your
want to
attorney.
know, are these people using...
I'm not gonna answer you.
The explanation of suspicious circumstances is repeatedly used but never defined properly. Recording a police station from a public place is unusual to some, but unusual does not equal illegal. The Constitution protects activities precisely because they may be unpopular. Fear-based policing leads to rights violations. Law enforcement must rely on evidence, not assumptions.